with us. Now, some introductions. Starting off on this side over here, we have Roman and Siege. Coming around, we have Jackson and Amy. On this side over here we have Brianna, and we have Tom. And you may call me Kimbe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those we know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Good. All the way around to people. Fantastic. We have two. And now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name?
Gray.
Yes. What Gray is leading right now is the spark of hope we've been waiting for. An awakening in the Force. And that is why the Force has brought you here. To look ahead. To build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some have called the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. Now open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your Kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It's the center of control. Each hand is the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. In the box in front of you, you'll find the parts you selected outside. And we will lead you through putting them all together in a moment, but first, let's talk about what's in the box. If you look at it, starting from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Then columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are 2 matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gallery in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, Let's build. You gotta give away what you don't have. So even if you always put yourself at the bottom of the list, make sure you're on the list. You know? It's easy to forget. Beautiful power and control. I love the recess plates. They give you such a great grasp when you're single-hand wielding, because you can lock your thumb and forefinger at the top of that base grip and move that blade without muscling. And the D-ring at the top is like Lord Vader's, because it's not like a fixed blade. The cross-drawn through your body, you can pull a lightsaber from anywhere. So you can wear it up, down, and then the blade comes out. And so, I hope you two get along. Just looking at these two next to each other. What color is your crystal? Excellent. It's much to win you and yours. Dangerous part. Leave your saber at your station. And everyone back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the Yadaros are going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. You have to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This should only be done by someone with a lot of training and expertise. And Tom. I love you, Tom. Tom's new at this, but he's really, really good. Good catch there. Excellent. Yes, we have to be very careful, because if something is misaligned, we could have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, which is also known as so, we're pulling it out. All right, I'm going to send a test signal. This control panel connects to these chambers in a series. What's happening?
Many folks over now. Joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Yes, Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we've reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, not pulling, altogether we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your saber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers! You built a lightsaber! Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers for now.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you all to receive your saber sheaths from Roman before you continue your journey into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Till the spire.
Till the spire!